Hi, welcome to Storytime. In this edition, I wanted to talk to you about secure coding libraries and secure templates. If you want to save time and increase security, one of your options could be to create templates or secure code samples that developers can use over and over again. Let me explain to you how this works. Way back in the day, I used to work at an unknown place in the Canadian federal government, and we would create these templates. So we had many different applications that we wrote over and over for different departments. So we would create code and applications and then share them with others. And over again, we had to write login screens. And one of my team was super brilliant and said, why don't we create a template? Awesome. So we ended up adding a lot of security to that template, and we had a penetration tester come in, and that person tested and just battered away at it to make sure it was as secure as it could possibly be. And then from then on, every time one of us needed to build something, we would just start with the template. And we would be miles ahead, and we would also know our login was very secure. We ended up adding all sorts of different things to this template, including output encoding, ways to validate our input, etc. And every time we did a test, we would actually just update the template and then re-update all of the applications at the same time, saving us money, right? Making our apps more secure. It was awesome. When you do this, though, I must caution you. A code library is like a woman's purse. You don't just put your hand in it without permission. So it's very, very important that if you are a security person, you bring this idea up with your software developers. You talk with them about it. You suggest why it might be of value, and you ask how you could support them in starting this initiative. And then you name one of your security champions to be the secure code librarian. And that person is the person that you work with on this. And you can provide them samples. There are all sorts of different products that provide this and really useful websites, such as OWASP.org. They have so many amazing things there. Do whatever you can to support them in this, but don't mistake yourself for being in charge of this, because like the woman's purse, you don't put your hand in it, right? Okay, I hope that you have thought that perhaps that secure coding libraries or secure code templates might help your organization. And with that, it is the end of this edition of Storytime.